In modern engineering, the design code handoff is a massive bottleneck. Developers waste days on UI boilerplate. In this example, you can see how the designers go a little crazy and ask for the developers a lot of things. Figma to Code, powered by Gemini, solves this by using an autonomous agent that sees the designs and acts as a developer, automating the last mile of front-end engineering. The architecture is a production-ready pipeline. It starts with the local AI agent using the Gemini ADK for UI vision analysis. This orchestrates the playwright and PyAuto grid to take the Figma screenshot. The core reasoning happens in Gemini 3.1 flashlight that generates the React Native code. For persistence, we use a custom GCS upload tool that pushes fields to Google Cloud Storage, which are instantly served via Cloud Run. Okay, let's see it in action. When I run the agent, it physically will start moving, but first, let's say hello. Now, it asks about the Figma project. I say Gemini challenge. Okay, now it physically navigate, start searching, and here it open the project, navigates. I'm not moving the mouse. It's a Gemini that understand what is seen. Now open, hide the UI, minimize something, take the screenshot, save the generated code, and now it is sending to Google Cloud, and okay, it say it is done. But this process doesn't end locally. If you see here, it is in this part. It connects to Google Cloud and send the file. I will show you in a moment here. This is the Google Cloud, the bucket details, and it has this date, but if I update it, it will change the date, 825, and now the UI navigator, it reads the file that was downloaded. So by combining the Gemini ADK with Google Cloud Infrastructure, we have automated the last mile of UI engineering. This is the future of autonomous development. Thank you.